Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Another video for you guys, and this is going to be all about making videos and how I got over my fear of making videos. So when I started my channel back in 2016, when I first started using it to upload videos and everything, I was kind of nervous. I didn't want to. I was in front of the camera, and I was like, what am I going to say and how I'm going to do it? And I learned over time how to do it just by doing this. I have my phone camera on. I talk to people. I tell people what I believe in my business. I also put out motivational content and stuff like that, just to help people, even those people that don't want to join my online business. They can also just get value out of just me making videos like this. So I started doing videos like this, and I just kept doing it and doing it. And like whenever you do something over and over, you get better over time. And I started learning that I'm going to start making videos as if like I'm talking to someone I care about, or a loved one, or someone I love. And that's not too far off from the truth now, because I do care about all you guys. I love you guys. You're awesome. I want to give value to you guys, because I want to see you succeed no matter what it is that you're going after. And I also want my channel to be a source of positivity in this crazy negative world. So that's how I started doing videos. I started doing videos like I was talking to a friend or a loved one. And in all my videos, I'm unscripted, because over time I got better at it. And the more you do it, the better you're going to get. And the key is just to get your message across. It doesn't have to be perfect. People really don't care as long as you get your message across. And that's my tip in this video, is to start doing things like that. Get over your shyness. Get over your fears. I did, and it's done wonders for my YouTube channel, and it's also done wonders for my online business. So you just gotta keep on doing it. And we all have phones. We all do. And I do also suggest somewhere down the road, if you can get some kind of screen capture software. I'm going to do some reviews on some screen capture softwares that you can use. And if for right now you don't want to put yourself in the video, lately all my screen capture I've been doing through my Chromebook. But they don't give the option to use the webcam so you can put yourself in the video. If you look at some of my older videos about Power Lead System, I'm always inside the video, because I want to brand myself and I want people to see me. But that's why lately I've been doing more of these videos, so people can actually see me as well. And I'm not just talking behind the screen. But if right now you're shy and you want to get a good screen capture software, there's one called Screencast-O-Matic. It's free. You can use it, and you can choose whether you want to put yourself in the video or not. But also, if you want to upgrade, it's actually pretty cheap. I forget what the pricing is, but if you want to get some more advanced tools so you can flash pictures up during your presentations and stuff like that, it's really not that expensive. If you want a really good expensive one where you have all kinds of stuff at your disposal, you can use one called Camtasia. It's $250. You pay $250 and you get very good, high quality screen capture. But you don't have to have a really expensive screen capture software. Just get something. And if for now you don't feel comfortable in the camera right now, you can just use it where it's the screen completely and you're not in the video. So that's a few things that I recommend. So yeah, that's the key. It's just when you're promoting your online business or whatever it is that you're promoting, show your enthusiasm, smile, have a good, stay positive, make your videos attractive to other people. So that's pretty much all I'm going to say. Just basically pretend like when you're talking in front of the camera that you're talking to a friend or a loved one. And so yeah, so if you like this video, like always, hit the like button and also hit the notification bell and the subscribe button below so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.